There are a ton of string lights out there to choose from a lot of different brands, and a lot of them are really good. From standard warm glow Edison style lights to crazy multicolor lights, there's a little bit of everything, and Govee has something in kind of in all of those categories. But nobody has anything like these. These are Govee's new chromatic string lights, and they're very interesting and very different from anything else on the market. They can do the basic stuff and give you a nice warm glow, but they can also create some lighting effects that aren't going to be found anywhere else. With these, Govee has gone and done something that they did with some table lamps and went and implemented that into these string lights. So I previously reviewed the JBL2 table lamp, and it's a really interesting light. And what it does is it packs a whole bunch of LEDs into a kind of diffuser plastic and gives these really interesting lighting effects across the entire surface of the light. They shrunk this down and put it into these chromatic lights. Each light has 240 lumens per lamp and 54 individual LEDs. That's crazy packed into this little bitty light right here. So with this, Govee is using RGBWIC. So we have red, green, blue, white. So we have a dedicated white LED to give you pure, clean whites. And then IC means individually controlled. So each section of the lights can be controlled individually, which means you can get really good customization on your lights. On top of that, you can get these in a couple different lengths depending on what you're trying to set up. So they come in a 65 and like a 32-foot length. So two different lengths on these, and combined across the entire light strand, when you're using a whites, you can get up to 4,800 lumens across the entire light strand. That is really bright. You'll get extremely bright lights if you're using colors and not using the white specific diodes, but that's where the brightest lights are going to come from. And that's pretty standard across the industry. With these, put them together is really easy. They come in a box with different strands, and they're attached at these different screw points that are waterproof, threaded together to give you the different lengths. So you may not need all 65 feet, maybe you only need 58 feet or whatever, and you can set these up and get the length that you need across your setup. So you got a waterproof connection there. And the really interesting thing that Govee's done, mine, I don't know how long these are going to last because I'm not setting these up as proper as they should be with the way I have these on these posts, but the connection point where the wires go in, if you run a wire across your space and you hang these from the wire, which is what I really need to do. I need to redo these and hang these on a wire. When you do that, because there's no connections or hang points directly on the lights, Govee includes these cool little clips. So these clips open up, and inside there's a path. You can kind of see where they have, so you run the wires through it, close this on it, and that properly supports the wires so they don't just get pulled like mine are getting done currently from the light and cause potential damage. And then you got this little point up top to run the wire or zip tie or however you're gonna hang it from your wire across your setup. I really need to redo mine and fix that. But Govee provides a solution for that if that's what you're going for. With that, Govee's got the connection box that you get to control this from. So obviously there's an app, and we're gonna cover that in just a moment, but the control box is also IP67 along with the entire wire setup and lighting situation here. So I've had these out now for a couple of months, and because Kansas weather is crazy, they've had to go through 100-degree heat. They've been ice. They've had ice, freezing rain on them. They've had storms. They've had everything, and they've held up here great. They actually fell off. One of my poles actually kind of came down, and they fell off of the holder and hit the ground in the middle of a storm, hung them back up, and they're still working great. So they're way more durable than they may appear to be. And the control box doesn't have anything on it. You don't need it for anything other than to turn the power on and off in these. So you can just push a button, it'll turn them on. You can press and hold for some different effects, but generally this is just to power it on and off, and it makes it really easy. And it does have a microphone in it because these also can react to music. So if you're out here hanging out with friends and playing music, you can have these reacting to the music playing and kind of create a cool vibe out here. Now, app. Using the app, Govee's app is very full featured. It is everything you could imagine in a smart home app and probably more. One area I think Govee could use is a redesign in their app to kind of clean it up a little bit, make it slightly less confusing and cluttered, but everything is there. Getting these set up in the app is really easy. If you don't have an account with Govee yet, you're gonna set up an account and then add device, and once they're plugged in, they'll find them, add it to the app, and you're good to go. They are Matter compatible, so these work with, you can use these with Alexa and with Google Home. They can be connected to Matter and be controlled across different platforms. Do know Matter is improving greatly. I was at the Unified Connect conference in Austin just a few weeks ago, and Matter is getting a lot of really good upgrades, and there's a lot of production and progress being made on that platform to allow smart devices to connect across every platform and not be app specific. That being said, using these with Matter, you will lose 90% of the features that are possible with these lights. You'll get on, off, some color changes, and that's pretty much it. All the lighting effects and cool things that can be done, you will need to use the Govee app to accomplish those things. And so if you're gonna spend that kind of money and get a cool light like this, you might as well have all the effects. So that is an option. Now, using the app, getting it connected, you've got tons of scenes. There's over 111 different scenes for these that are preset. These scenes are what Govee calls, and they're kind of preset for different things. Like you've got holidays, so you've got, you know, Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, Easter, Mother's Day, Father's Day. There are scenes in the app for those too. You've got all kinds of stuff like, you know, you've got galaxy and universe and different planetary things and just fun scenes all baked in there with different cool lighting effects, movements, and lighting changes. Also, you've got DIY, so you can create your own lighting effects, whether that is a solid lights that just alternate back and forth in your favorite team's colors or something like that, or you do some crazy effects where you literally draw zigzags or whatever it is onto the app and then it shows it up on the lights. Really cool options there. You've got solid colors, so you can do just a straight white across here. You can set up all blue, all green, whatever you want to do. It's all in the app. Of course, it's 2026 and we are talking about smart home devices, so of course there is also AI in the app. The AI is kind of cool. So you can type or talk to it and just kind of describe the scene that you want to see. So if you're looking for an island sunset theme, you can type that in there and it'll give you an option. You can edit and change those however you'd like. So it's really neat being able to have that kind of a flexibility in setting up your lights, whether that is individual colors, presets, or using AI to come up with something crazy for you. It's on the app. There's also options in the app for setup schedules. So you can have these come on at night at a certain time, whether that is sunset or a designated time that you choose, and turn off again. So you can set all that up in the app and get these set up, make it as hands-free as you would like. Also, a big part of what Govee does is what they call DreamView. This is where you can connect multiple lights together. Not even the same style of light, but the same Govee lights. The vast majority of Govee's lights now are all DreamView enabled. So this means you can connect these all together into a group, choose a scene within that, and all of them will mimic that same scene. So you can control them all at once, creating DIY, whatever you would like to do. Single button push, all of them react to the exact same and change to the same lighting effect. So it gives you really cool, cohesive, easy way to manage a bunch of lights if you're setting that up, whether that is indoors or outdoors. And I show some examples of that in my Govee basement tour video when I used all Govee lights to outfit my basement. So I'll link that in here if you want to check that out, some of the options you can get with these lights for that. So really cool lights. I haven't really had any issues with them. Like I said, I'm surprised the durability with them from the weather standpoint, as well as literally falling on the concrete during a storm, surviving that. I am going to change out how these are connected to help prolong the life of these, because I'm afraid that is going to damage these. But the lights have been good. They're consistently connected. I haven't any connectivity issues with them falling off the network or not being found. They work great with DreamView. They have really cool lighting effects. I really don't have much to say. They are expensive. There are pricey lighting setups. If there's a knock on these, they're not cheap. They are the only ones of their kind. They're very unique and very interesting, and you're not going to find them from any other brands, but you're going to pay for that. If that's what you're doing for your patio, these are a great option if you have it in your budget. If not, Govee's got tons of other lights. I've got their solar string lights I'm going to be covering here shortly, and those may be a good option for you as well. So links for everything will be down below. Tons more videos coming up, both on Govee as well as some smart robots. I got some vacuum cleaner stuff coming up and some other really cool devices I'm testing. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to make sure you're notified when that video drops, you don't have to go track it down, hit the bell icon and you'll get a notification when it's ready. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks.